My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 10,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have voice control as a feature, as well as keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we can get quick access to our charge and range, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay, radio and navigation. The MG comes with a 360 degrees camera, as well as parking sensors. We also have AC, which includes heated seats, and energy management. We can choose from 3 different driving modes. So we have normal, eco, and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.